Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable text selection translation on Luffy AI. And what is that? It simply means when you find a portion of a text, if you go ahead and highlight that portion of the text, it will give you the feature, and you can always go ahead and select or translate that portion of the text, and you'll be able to find the translation. So if you don't want to have this feature enabled for whatever reason, if you're not able to see this feature enabled, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable. So once you're inside your browser and you have that extension added, you want to click on the extension to access its options. Then click on settings at the bottom there, and on the left hand side you will find a feature that says text selection translation. You click there and you should have this feature enabled. If you don't have it enabled and you want to use it, just simply toggle it on. If you don't want to use the feature, you can turn it off. Let me go back here and show you. So like I have that disabled, if I highlight the text, it will not give me the feature there because I have it turned off. And if I go back and I enable it, it should give me the feature, as you can see there. And that's it.